I know say before you click on this particular video, something make you click on this video. It's either you want to know whether Audiolex na legit or you want see why they get withdrawal issues. And today for this particular video, I will share my experience, give una, and I will give una my opinion and make una take note, make una learn. And if you come here because you get issues with Audiolex withdrawal or you want to try the platform, make you calm down and listen to what I want to talk about. If you see me for the first time, my name is Solomon. My work here now to come filter all those platforms we don't make sense for Nigeria. All those platforms where they are work, they work for Nigeria. I go filter them all, come out. Then I go come here, come they drop updates where me personally they use where they active. You understand? Now my work be that. And if you want to get better update for my hand, make sure you like this video, share this video, and make sure you subscribe to my channel so that I go to collect better update for my hand. Thank you very much. And I beg my brother, make you not forget to comment where they watch this video for comment section. I go really appreciate if you do that one for me. Thank you very much. I really appreciate. So make we start. I've been saying I go make this video few days ago, but I don't come make because I've been going to handle some other things. So people will be asking me to make this video. I beg, make una bear with me. I'm really sorry. All right, so make we start. So everything starts few weeks ago. When I scroll through Facebook, I see as then talk about this platform. Say a new platform or new update deal. Where if you listen to music and you go they collect. Me we like better thing and I like better thing for my community. I see the platform, I like the structure of the platform, and I say okay, I can't come. I say okay, make we talk about make we see as in the if person within my audience don't use them before, or if person fi share in experience about the platform. So I can't talk about some weeks ago, and now the biggest mistake what I've been doing be that to talk about them, because I will just calm down, use them on my own before I talk about them. So this platform come out talk say you feel they stream music for their platform, say they embed music from popular streaming platforms like Apple Music and all those ones. If they stream music, see go they collect small thing. The structure of the update makes sense because so many artists they want and promote their songs, they want a lot of people to listen to their music. But waiting we know constantly be say these people they waste our time, because according to these people they say you go use their platform 7 days for free, and if you like see you go subscribe to their first package and their second package so that you go continue to use them. And I say okay, no wahala. So I subscribe the premium, and the premium why I pay na 15k for naira I pay. I start to use them maybe around $10. So I start to use and they stream the song. But the first thing I notice be same. The first thing I notice be say now the same songs when they repeat every day, the same format of songs. I'm like, what thing they happen? Artists know they embed their songs. New artists know they why not the same songs where I go they listen to every day. No, you know, one day like me where I thought say any platform where they use we no get active customer service make you come on live them. But even with that red flag, me I still can't go to use them. These people don't get any active customer service, no email, no social media, nothing. The only thing we can get now WhatsApp channel and Telegram channel. And the WhatsApp channel you cannot react, or the only reaction that you can react is the love emoji. The Telegram channel are the same thing. The only reaction where they feel allow you react, because anybody will get Telegram channel if you control how people react. Now only the love emoji. So even if you dey vex, you know if you express yourself, you cannot comment, you cannot express yourself through emojis. You know if you do anything, you know if you reach them, they no get email, no social media, nothing. Even with all those red flags, I still ignore all those red flags. I still continue to use them. So I don't use this platform, use them. I don't gather some money. It don't reach time for withdrawal. Another red flag then say withdraw now from the 5th of every month till the 10th of every month, 5 days of withdrawal. And this platform start like on the 18th of this month, right? 18. So before you want to use them till the 5th of next month, plenty people go gather where you understand. So people enter. I can't go reach 5th. I can't live video. I can't talk. Okay, make me and my community make we withdraw together. The first problem is say you know if you enter the website, they say the website they dull. You know if you enter Kiniko, their server is this. They can't go upgrade their server after so many after so many hours. Now the contour say for you to withdraw, say you need to pay money to withdraw. I mean, it no come make sense again now. Why is say me people pay money to withdraw their money where they don't suffer make for your platform? For me now, I want proof to my community. Say okay, make we calm down, make I try them. Me, I still pay. I pay them like 6k. Now 15k plus 6k, that's around 21k where I'd already pay them already. And even with the 21k wey I pay them, I still no fit come withdraw. Now, after some time, they come post for their group. They come post and talk say, sorry, their withdrawal button no come dey work. They can't go fix them. So I can't finally place my withdrawal. My people, since that day where I placed that withdrawal till today, that withdrawal is still pending. The withdrawal is still pending. Since that day till today, the withdrawal is still pending. I never see anything, nothing, not the thing just did there, they pen. And the funny part be say these people then get mine, still they advertise their platform for their Telegram channel. See, they tell people that new features is coming up, new updates, new this. I beg my people, make una dey very, very careful. I beg, make una dey very, very careful. I don't see this platform get a lot of red flags. 20k, 21k like that don't go. You understand? Which is okay by me. It's okay by me. Now make I been tell una make una not do anything. That's why they like tell una say make una calm down or not do anything until una see my withdrawal. If una not see my withdrawal, make una not try. I beg if they watch this video, then if they plan to join that platform, make you no join. Now number one be that if they watch this video and you get withdrawal issues, just know say your money don't go if you put money, but if you don't put money, just stop. I beg, share this video to as many people as possible. Share this video to as many people as possible. Please share this video to as many people as possible so that you go feel help your brother, you go feel help your sister, you go feel help your friend. Share this video to as many people as possible. Nobody know who they behind the platform. Nobody know who they run the platform because they don't get any customer service, no social media, nothing. I not sure say anybody receive withdrawal. I not sure say anybody because nobody come account to say I don't see withdrawal. I don't see withdrawal. So I beg, make una dey careful. I know say you go tell me say now where you say make we no do this one, now you don't come give us problem. So which one we can't say make we can't do? Well, I not go feed they suggest updates give you. So what you go do be say go check my Selim account, cirrden.com/solidpicturestv. Plenty update they available there. What I don't do keep, you understand? I know say some of them they like all these kind of things, but these kind of things then go give you heartbreak. Make you go find online skill learn. You understand? Learn online skills, learn affiliate marketing, learn digital marketing. You understand? All these online skills now, skills where if you help you, they collect 1 or 2. You understand? Learn online skill. Now, waiting that video be that. Join my community for WhatsApp, join my community for Telegram, join me on cirrden.com/solidpicturestv so that if you see available things where you fit do, they collect 1 or 2 for yourself online. I beg, if you they see this Audiolex, I beg, make you run.